In this video, I'm going to test for you a 4K video in Premiere on MacBook Pro M3, 16-inch, 18 GB. So I'm going to pick this video. I'm going to grab these videos from Pixels, and this is the creator credits to him. And now here I'm just gonna open this video in Premiere Pro. So let's open Premiere Pro and import this video. So here's the video, and now I have this video here. This bar it's not rendered, so play this video like this, and I'm just gonna remove this audio. So this is playing in full resolution, and I don't have any lag. There's no lag whatsoever. Yeah, so there's 100%, there's no lag here. Now what if we play the same video, we move the videos over each other, and now they're like more videos playing. So let's see now. I still don't have any lag. Okay, now we have 6 4K videos playing, or at least I'm gonna play right now in Premiere Pro. So let's see if we have any lag. So yeah, we don't have any lag. All the videos are playing without any issue. So now the only thing I'm seeing that's not it's kind of like some lag. Like sometimes the cursor is like sluggish, or is like it's just not moving as it's supposed. It's just just lag. But the video starts smooth, like right now is moving. Don't have any problems with the cursor, just sometimes. Usually this happens when I'm importing like a raw 8K. But let's say I'm actually how long it's going to take to render in and out. So it's going to take about 2 minutes for all the videos. But the videos are playing as it should. I don't see there any issues, like the FPS while I'm playing in the timeline is not dropping compared with 8K. I tested that. Check out in the description of this video. I'll leave the link where you can see how it performs in 8K. So now is, if you render this, I feel like it's playing better in the timeline. Yeah, there is a difference. I don't know if there is a placebo effect just because I render this. Usually, of course, when you render, you should have a better frame, a more consistent frame rate. But you know, even if you don't render, you still should have really good results if you have a good MacBook or whatever, you know, because that's how I should test the performance of the MacBook without rendering in theory. But I was just trying to show you, you know, how long does it take to render. I thought you are curious. Now if you have other questions, leave your questions down below. Now what if we add some video effects? A lot of video text effects we can add. So I'm gonna add a couple of these effects. Okay, so I added some effects, 3D and some cross dissolve. Now let's play this. Now there's definitely the FPS, the frame rate just dropped. Yeah, 100%. So if we want to fix this, we're gonna have to render this because the frame rate really dropped. Also the if you want to check here the view, we can see we have full here. So you can see we have full here, also high quality, everything is full. If you full quality, if you are curious to know. But yeah, my conclusion from my own experience is this MacBook is good if you're doing 4K editing, but if you're doing something more professional, maybe you're working with a lot of projects like 4K, but at the same time you use Premiere, you use Photoshop, you use Google Chrome, Safari in running in the background, then you might you might stumble upon some issues. You might have some lag sometimes, but otherwise, if you're just doing some basic 4K editing, some effects, not so many at the same time, but you'll be able to edit 4K videos without any issues with also some effects. Of course, each and there you're gonna have to use some rendering, some proxies maybe, some lowering the effect, the playback resolution. You might have this issue. You can expect this problem, in my opinion. Like sometimes I just added this cross effect for only one video with uh, with 8K, and not 8K, sorry, 4K, and it lagged. But yeah, I mean, you can fix this problem, or you just render, but that's not what we want. Maybe you are paying for this, you're expecting to do more of playing the video full resolution, because some situations you just want to see the entire resolution. But yeah, I hope you found this helpful. If you have more questions, other things you'd like me to test in Premiere Pro on this MacBook, let me know in the comment sections. I hope I helped you make the right decision. Thanks for watching, and take care.